Hello students, in my last class, I shown you how to convert decimal number to binary number. For example, one example once again I'll show you. For example, 59. So when you want to convert this 59, you have to divide with number 2. Why? Because you are converting this number in a binary form. In a binary, we have only 2 digits. So that's why with the 2, you have to divide. So 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining. That 1 comes this side, means it becomes 19. 2 9s are 18. Last one is a remainder. Write that remainder to the right side. Again divide that number. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. 1 is a remainder. 2 7s are remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6. 1 is a remainder. 2 1s are 2. 1 is remainder. Now this number we have to write it in reverse order. The binary of 59 is 111011 is the binary of number 59. Now point is converting binary to decimal. How to convert binary number into decimal form? Now we have one binary number. So how we can convert this binary number in the form of decimal? Okay. So now let us begin. So start this number from extreme left side. So extreme left side is this one. So write that one. Put the multiplication sign. So what is the base of this binary number system? That is 2. Write 2. And by leaving this number, count all the digits. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. So write it to the power 2 raised to 5 plus, write plus sign. Then take second number 1 into total how many digits are remaining? 4 digits. Okay, write it 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to how many digits are remaining? 3 digits. 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 digits are remaining 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1, and this last one plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 because no any other digits. So now 1 into 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times you have to multiply 2, means 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. Okay, write 32 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3, means multiply this to 3 times. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 is 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 is always 1. Okay, write 1. Now 32 into 1 is 32 plus 16 into 1 is 16 plus 8 into 1 is 8 plus 0 into 4 is 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Now make addition. 32 plus 16, how much? 48. 48 plus 8, 56. 56 plus 2, 58. 58 plus 1 9 is 59. So 59 is the correct answer. Okay, so this is a way to convert decimal number to the binary form. So I'll take another example. We'll take another number. It is 39. Okay, so 39. I hope it's visible for you all because I am recording in mobile. Got it? So there may be some inconvenience, so try to adjust. Okay, divide this number with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 1 is remainder. 2 9s are 18, 1 is remainder. 2 4s are 8, 1 is remainder. 2 2s are 4, 0 is remainder. 2 1s are remainder 0. The binary of 39 is 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so now see, write this 1 into base of binary is 2. Count remaining all the digits. You can count it from left to right or right to left. You are going to get the same answer. 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 raised to 5. Next, 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. So 2 raised to 5 again, multiply this to 5 times like this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. Okay, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 16, 16 into 32. So 32 plus 0 into 16 plus 0 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 1. So 32 plus 0 into any number is 0, 0 into any number is 0, plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 32 plus 4, 36, 38, 39. So 39 is the decimal of this binary. Okay, I am going to take one more example. So this is the last example to convert binary to decimal. Okay, we'll draw one line here. Don't get confused. So number is 152. So first let me convert this number in the form of binary. So divide with number 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 12, remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, remainder is 0. 2 9s are 18, 1 is remainder. 2 4s are 8, 1 is remainder. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. 2 1s are remainder is 0. The binary of 152 is 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, so let us convert this binary to the decimal form. So write 1 into base is to count the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 raised to 7 plus 0 into 2 raised to 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. So 2 raised to 7, 2 raised to 5 is 32 already, you know that. Okay, I will add 2 more. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 into 2 64, 64 into 2 128. So 1 into 1 128 plus 0 into any number is 0, so that's why I am going to write 0 here. 0 into any number, again I am going to write directly 0 here. 2 raised to 4. So what is the 2 raised to 4? 2 raised to 4 is 16. 1 into 16. 2 raised to 3 is 8. So 1 into 8 plus again here 0. 0 into any number is 0. So that's why I need not to calculate. Again here also 0. Again here also 0. Now 128 plus here 16 plus 8. Now see 128 plus 16. 128 plus 16, now I see 128 plus 10 is 138. 138 plus 6. 138 plus 6 is 144. 144 plus 8 is 152. 152 is the decimal of 100111000. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept, conversion of binary to decimal. So in a previous video already I have shown you how to convert decimal to binary. So now in this video I am showing how to convert binary to decimal. Thank you for watching.